Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ajoke again. Thank you for tuning into my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be making a nice yummy turkey sauce. Yes, we're taking our turkey sauce to another level. We're giving it a little bit of a twist. We know how we do it now. All my turkey lovers, please gather here. We have another recipe to watch. Yeah, so I started off by cooking my turkey first. I actually added all my ingredients that I know they're gonna be enough to cook it and to make it nice and tasty. Just add any spices of your choice and cook. You know how we do it here now. No stress cooking. We're just trying to make life easy for all of us. There's a lot going on in the three pepper mix. Those are the ones I use, and they came out so nice for this recipe. I just it was just a short. I didn't blend. It was a rough blending. Yeah, that's the word. It was a rough blending, not to be. I didn't blend it too smooth. And then I poured it into. I fried it with the in the oil. Afterwards, I added my turkey after frying it for some time. I didn't grill the turkey. I didn't fry the turkey just because I wanted that soft texture. You can grill your turkey. Not grilling my turkey is just what I wanted. You can either grill or fry your turkey if you want. Add your spices to it, and then just make sure you add enough onions. Adding enough onions brings out the aroma of this turkey sauce. And then, of course, what is turkey sauce without egg? If you're an egg lover like me too, again, I love egg. I love incorporating eggs into my, especially if I'm eating rice. I find the rice boring if there's no egg in it. I don't know, maybe it's just me. So of course I added my egg as well. And then I served with my chilled zoba. Oh my god. Oh my Jessica. You don't want to know how I fell asleep after eating this thing. It was so yummy, guys. Just not too much. Don't overpower your this sauce. Just light and simple. Turkey is fine. And it came out so nice. So guys, are you gonna be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section and let me know what you think. See you guys in the next video. Bye.